boys campus to the main campus. And my first picture is, as you could see, the person is giving a special vision to the child. So, you know the sentence of the Patra Global sentence, that is that every child matters. So for me, every child is important. I give them special attention, which even make me a favorite teacher as well. So, and for me, every child is same in the class. The second picture is to work in a team. So I make the students to work in a team. They have to help each other. They have to make the others to understand the things which even lead to the success of the topics, which are difficult. And the next one is which I need to improve is the time management. Being a teacher, I think that I need improvement in the time management, especially in the class. If I'm teaching a topic, how I have to move from the theoretical part to the practical part. So managing time between the theory and practical is very important. So which I need to improve. Thank you.
Anything else? Terminology is over here. According to the group decision, pedagogy and andragogy will be a little bit self-explanatory over here with the help of a diagram. The diagram is, explaining itself. Okay? Content will remain the same in case of when you are teaching young minds. तो आपके पास content same होता है 2 + 2 = 4. ठीक है, आपके पास जो है वो लर्नर्स आपके टेबल पे सेटल बैठे हुए होते हैं, सेम एज के होते हैं आपके पास. ठीक है, ओपन टू लर्निंग होते हैं, वो आपके पास इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. आप उनको क्या करते हैं, सेम कंटेंट को आप उनको प्रेजेंट करते हैं, वो लर्नर्स लर्न करते हैं आपके पास. हाउएवर जब आप एडल्ट्स को ट्रेन कर रहे होते हैं तो आपके पास जो है वो लर्नर अपनी पर्सनैलिटी लेकर क्लास में बैठते हैं. स्पेशली बॉयज़ के केस में तो आप सब समझते ही होंगे, बच्चियाँ तो फिर भी समझ जाती हैं. ठीक है, तो जब आप लर्नर्स को जब आप देखते हैं आपके पास जो लर्नर को जब ट्रेन करना होगा आपको, तो आपको मल्टीपल कॉन्सेप्ट को लेकर चलना पड़ता है. जैसे कि कुछ बच्चों को जो है, अगर आपने सेम कॉन्सेप्ट कंप्यूटर साइंस की पर्सपेक्टिव से अगर बताऊँ मैं आपको, तो अगर आपने कोई एम्बेडेड सिस्टम सिखाना है, अगर आप बॉयज़ को किचन के किसी एप्लायंस का दिखाएंगे, वो कहेंगे ये तो बस बेकार बातें कर रही. ठीक है, अगर आप गाड़ी को ले लेंगे, उन्हीं की पसंद की कोई एप्लायंस को पिक करके उनको समझाएंगे, दे आर हैप्पी टू लर्न. So the content revolve around the learner. You have to change yourself at every instant. ये चीज़ है.
One thing which I would like to add that being a science teacher, you can relate these two terms. You can create a balance between them by teaching theory and applying the practical. So if you apply the theory to the practical thing, these both concepts will be together. Because the theory will have to be limited resources. Practically, that would be.
Yes, they will kind of learn through what
is learning, accepting new ideas and new concepts. The second definition is understand the situation. The third one is to open to accept the change in yourself and in the environment. And then the next one is to give a solution to every problem, the possible solution. And then understanding the life by support of knowledge. And the next one is in the views of Ms. Mariam, that is to process the situation and then give the output. So, and we have combined these all definitions to give a proper definition, that is according to the situation, accepting the new concept, new ideas with the support of previous knowledge, and to increase the creativity.
pre-knowledge, important connection of prior knowledge with the new concepts.